Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello students, welcome to second PUC accountancy online classes. In the previous class we have solved 3 problems. Now there are 2 more problems on calculation of gain ratio. Let us solve those problems. Fourth one, problem number 4, page number 51. Now let me read out the problem and we will solve the problem. A, B and C are partners. Here 3 partners are there, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 1:1:1. 3 partners, 1:1:1 means equal partners. So 1/3, 1/3 and 1/3, correct. B retires from the firm. A and C decided to share the profit in future in the ratio of 4:3. So their new ratio will be 4:3, 4/7 and 3/7. So this is the only information. Let us solve it. Write the first sentence, whatever I told. Calculation of gain ratio. Calculation of gain ratio. Then write given. Write the names of the partners A, B and C. A, B and C. Old ratio is given in the problem. New ratio is given in the problem. Write it. Old ratio 1:1:1. So 1/3, 1/3 and 1/3. New ratio is equal to 4:3. 4:3. Who has retired from the firm? B retires from the firm. So A and C 4:3. So 4 and 3. Here dash 4/7. 4 plus 3 7. So 4/7 and 3/7. Now let us solve the problem. Write the formula first. For writing the formula you will get 1 mark, remember. Without writing the formula, if you solve, you will get 5 instead of 6. So gain ratio is equal to GR is equal to new ratio, that is NR minus old ratio, OR. Therefore, GR of A is equal to his old ratio, his new ratio minus his old ratio is equal to, new ratio is 4/7 minus old ratio was 1/3. Take common denominator, multiply the denominators and write the common denominator. 21, yes. Cross multiplication. 7 3s are 21 and 3 7s are 21. So 4 3s are 12 minus 7 is equal to 5/21. 5/21. This is the answer. Then the other partner C. Therefore you just continue here. I am just writing here to save the space, that's all. Don't try to save space in the examination. You will be given enough addition, that is enough sheets. 40 pages booklet will be provided, remember. So continue here. Like this, right here. Therefore GR of C is equal to GR of C is equal to his new ratio minus is old ratio is equal to how much? New ratio 3 by 7 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is equal to 21. Cross multiplication 7 3s are 3 7s are 9 minus 7 is equal to 2 by 21. 2 by 21. Now what you should do? You should write the final answer, correct? So write in one sentence. Therefore, gain ratio of A and C is equal to 5 by 21 is to 2 by 21. 2 by 21. So your problem is solved. Now, let me move on to the last problem, fifth one. Let us analyze the problem first. Ashok, Anil and Ajay are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 1 by 2, 3 by 10 and 1 by 5. See here, denominators are not equal. First thing is that whenever such problems are given, your first duty is to make the denominators equal. Otherwise, your solution will go wrong. You will go wrong. Remember. So 1 by 2, 3 by 10 and 1 by 5. So what you should do? Which is the common number to which we can divide from all the denominators? 20 is the common denominator. We can divide 20 by 2, we can divide 20 by 10 and we can divide 20 by 5, correct? So we have to multiply the numerators also and then we have to arrive at a common denominator and the numerators so that we can compare it. Then Anil retires from the firm. The first partner, 1 by 2, he retires from the firm. Ashok and Ajay decided to share future profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. 3:2. So, how to solve the problem? Otherwise also makes no difference. If you write 3 by 10 or 6 by 20, makes no difference. While deducting, automatically you will get the answer. So, no need of such headaches. Let us solve the problem. Write calculation of gain ratio. Calculation of gain ratio. Write given that is old ratio, new ratio. Write the names Ashok, Anil and Ajay. Ashok, I will write AS, I will write AN, Anil, and Ajay, I will write AG. Clear? Yes. Ashok, Anil and Ajay. Old ratio was 1 by 2, 3 by 10, 3 by 10 and 1 by 5. 1 by 5. New ratios 3:2. Who is retiring? Anil retires. So Anil dash. New ratio of Ajay and Ashok and Ajay are 3:2. So 3 by 5 and 2 by 5 is the new ratio, right? Yes, it is. New ratio. New ratio. Now, let us solve it. Write the formula. Write the formula. new ratio is equal to, I will write in short form, don't write in short forms. New ratio is equal to, gain ratio is equal to, GR is equal to, gain ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. New ratio minus old ratio. New ratio minus old ratio. Isn't it? Therefore, GR of Ashok, right? First partner, yes it is. Ashok is equal to his old ratio, his new ratio minus his old ratio is equal to, new ratio is 3 by 5, old ratio how much? 1 by 2 is equal to, I will take 10 as a common denominator, 5, 2s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 6 minus 5 is equal to 1 by 10. 1 by 10. Now, the other one. Therefore, GR of the other partner Ajay is equal to, his new ratio minus his old ratio is equal to, substitute the figures, new ratio 2 by 5 minus his old ratio was 1 by 5 is equal to 5 common denominator divisible by both the numbers, right? So 2 minus 1, no need of multiplication here, is equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Now, this denominator is 10 and this denominator is 5. What do we have to do? Or multiply this by 2 and make it as 10. So, 10 here 2 by 10. 2 by 10, because why I have multiplied by 2, just because to make the denominators equal, otherwise it is not possible to compare, right? So 1 by 10 is to 2 by 10, that is the answer. So write one sentence, last sentence. Therefore gain ratio of Ashok and Ajay, gain ratio of Ashok and Ajay is equal to 1 by 10 is to 2 by 10. 1 by 10 is to 2 by 10. Yes, your problem is solved. Now, let us move on to the other part, that is problems on calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Very simple. Simply we have to change the formula, that's all. What else? Change the formula, isn't it? So let me read out the next problem, that is problem number 6. Lata, Abhishek and Apeksha are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3 by 8, 1 by 2 and 1 by 8. Lata retires and surrenders 2/3 of her share in favor of Abhishek and the remaining share in favor of Apeksha. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. Whether new ratio is given in the problem is my question. No. Whether the gain ratios are given in the problem? No. 2/3 of her share, it is not gain ratio. We have to calculate gain ratio, isn't it? Then what do we have to do? After calculating gain ratio, we have to add, we have to deduct, we have to, not deduct, we have to add the gain ratio with the old ratio, so that we will get the new ratio, because new ratio is equal to old ratio plus gain ratio. Old ratio plus gain ratio. So what you have to do is you have to add the gain ratio to the old ratio. That is what you have to do. Let me solve the problem given right here. Given Lata, Abhishek and Apeksha. Lata, Abhishek and Apeksha. Abhishek, I will write here AB, and here I will write Apeksha, AP. That is old ratio. Whether it is given? Yes, it is given. 3 by 8, 1 by 2. 3 by 8, 1 by 2 and 1 by 8. Correct? 1 by 8. Lata retires and surrenders 2/3 of her share. So gain ratio, Lata retires, so dash, isn't it? And surrenders 2/3 of her share in favor of Abhishek. So Abhishek gets, gain ratio Abhishek is 2/3 of Lata's share. This is what the gain ratio of Abhishek. Remember, very clearly given, 2/3 of Abhishek, that's Lata's share means what? 2/3 of means into, there is Lata's share 3 by 8. 3 by 8. Then, in favor of Abhishek, and the remaining share in favor of Apeksha. Remaining share, how much will remain? When she surrenders 2/3 of her share, remaining share will be 1/3 of her share, right? 2/3 of her share is surrendered, so 1/3 of her share will remain. That is given to Apeksha. So 1/3 of Lata's share. 3 by 8 is Lata's share, of which 2/3 is given to Abhishek and 1/3 is given to Apeksha. Very, very simple. See, try to understand the problem. That is the only thing. Therefore, how to calculate now? We have to calculate gain ratio first. Then add gain ratio and old ratio. You will get the new ratio. Very, very simple. Don't make it complicated. Calculation of gain ratio. Of gain ratio. GR of gain ratio. GR, right here, gain ratio is equal, write the formula. Gain ratio is equal to, no need of writing the formula straight away. You just write gain ratio of Abhishek is equal to, Abhishek is equal to 2/3 of Lata's share. Lata's share is equal to 2/3 of Lata's share, that is 3 by 8 is equal to denominator 24 multiplication. So straight away multiply the numerators and denominators. No need of common denominator here. 3 2s are 6. 6 by 24. Correct? 6 by 24. GR of, therefore, GR of Apeksha is equal to 1/3 of Lata's share. Lata's share is equal to 1/3 into Lata's share, that is 3 by 8 is equal to 24 denominator, numerator 3. So 3 by 24. 3 by 24. That is what the gain ratio. Now we got the gain ratio. Now next step is new ratio is equal to old ratio plus gain ratio. Write in full, assign short forms within bracket. New ratio is equal to old ratio plus gain ratio. Therefore, new ratio of Abhishek is equal to his old ratio plus his gain ratio. Both are there. Gain ratio we have calculated here and old ratio is given in the problem, right? So, is equal to 1 by 2 plus how much? 6 by 24, correct? 6 by 24 is equal to, take 24 as the common denominator, 2 12s are 24, multiply the numerator with 12, 12 ones are 12, you see here 24 ones are 24, so multiply the numerator by 1 only. So 12 plus, symbol is plus, 6 ones are 6 is equal to 18 by 24. 18 by 24, correct? Yes. Therefore, NR of Apeksha is equal to her old ratio plus her gain ratio is equal to, her old ratio was how much? 1 by 8, correct? Plus gain ratio we have calculated 3 by 24. 3 by 24 is equal to, take 24 as the common denominator because this is divisible by both the numbers 8 and 24. 8 3 is a 24, so multiply numerator by 3. 24 ones are 24, so multiply the numerator by 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 3 ones are 3 is equal to 6 by 24. 6 by 24. You got the answer. New ratios of Abhishek and Apeksha is equal to 18 by 24 is to 6 by 24. 6 by 24, that is, you just check it. 18 plus 6, 24 agrees with the denominator. Am I correct? So your answer is correct. So just check like that. Very simple. Write in one sentence. Last answer you have to write. Final answer you should write. Therefore, new ratios of Abhishek and Apeksha. Abhishek is to Apeksha is equal to 18 by 24 is to 6 by 24. 18 by 24 is to 6 by 24. That's all. So sixth problem we have solved. See the seventh one. Naveen, Suresh and Tarun are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. Suresh retires from the firm and his share is acquired by Naveen and Tarun in the ratio of 2:1. Similar problem. 2:1 means you have to take, Suresh retires, Suresh's share you have to take 3 by 10. 3 by 10 into 2:1 means 2 plus 1, 2 by 3. Isn't it? So 3 by Suresh's share 3 by 10 into 2 by 3. One partner's gain ratio. Another partner's gain ratio is Tarun, right? Tarun. So here also 3 by 10 is to 1 by 3. That is what you have to do. 1 by 3. That you will get the gain ratio. Add old ratio and the gain ratio together. You will get the answer. But okay, let me solve the problem in the class itself so that no confusion for you. You just solve the problem, your home assignment problem. Take sixth problem as Lata, Abhishek, whatever I have solved, take it as your assignment problem and submit it on time. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.